it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this makeup look for you guys, and I love this look. I saw Makeup by Ariel and Desi Perkins. Well, he did a makeup look on Desi Perkins, kind of similar to this one. And ever since I saw that picture, I have been recreating the look and perfecting it to my liking and what I think looks best on me. And this is it. I think I have it down to a T at this point, and I do it all the time. This has become one of my go-to looks. This is what I like to call like my everyday, not everyday, but like my glam everyday face. So on the everyday, I make no sense. On the days that I want to look glam, but I don't have anything like super extravagant to do, where I don't have to put like a lot of glitter or anything in particular, I like to just do this look because it's super glam, but at the same time it's natural looking. That made more sense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you go. And if you want to see how I got this glam look, then definitely go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I am ready to go ahead and get started. I went ahead and did my brows, and I also primed my eyelids, and I did set that concealer with some translucent powder just to get things kind of going and save some time. For today's video, I think I'm going to be doing my natural glam face. It's going to be super natural, super soft, but it is going to have a little bit of like a glam factor to it. I'm also trying some of the new Anamad products, and I'm bringing back the Daisy Marquez BH Cosmetics palette because I got tons of requests after my last video. So yeah, that is going to be today's video. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it, and I'm like all over the place. Start off by taking the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm going to take the shade Dulce, which is this really pretty shade. I'm actually going to start right here in the inner socket of my eye, in the inner crease, and I'm going to blend backwards. I really want a lot of pigment in that inner corner of the eye because this is going to contour your eye and make it look really nice and sculpted. And extending it out towards the tail of the brow. I need to get my brows done again. But seriously, it has been a month since I don't do my brows. I went to a new brow place. I'll leave the information in the description box if you're in Miami. Wow, Ashley killed my brows. If you go back to some previous videos, my brows did not look this good. And looking back at my videos, I thought my brows looked on fleek. And it wasn't until I started going to Ashley that I was like, yeah, I had no idea what the heck I was doing with my brows. I'm going to take my Benefit Cool Up Bronzer, and I am again going to start right here in the inner corner of the eye, but I'm going to really concentrate this color in the socket of my crease to create kind of like a soft cut crease. And I really want to contour that eye, so I'm starting right here in that inner corner and blending it back. I'm keeping it a little bit lower than that first shade we applied. Going back into the Daisy palette, I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Cocoa, which is a dark brown. And again, I'm going to apply this to my crease, and keeping it just a little bit tighter in the socket of the eye. And I'm first going to go in kind of rough, and then we'll soften it up. So I'm just going to be placing it first. Going back in with the ColourPop brush and a little bit more of my bronzer, I'm going to begin to soften up that crease shade. Taking that same brush, I'm going to apply right here to the outer corner and kind of connecting it with that crease shade. And this is a Shiny Miami shadow brush. I'm just going to apply it right here in the outer corner and up to connect with the crease. And again, taking that ColourPop brush with a little bit more of the bronzer, I am just going to run this everywhere just to kind of soften that up. And that is why I like this look so much, because you do not have to be super perfect with it. You can kind of go a little crazy, get some more blown out, the better. So now I'm going to take a concealer with a flat concealer brush, and I am just going to clean up the lid. And I saw Desi Perkins. She has been doing this eye makeup look, and ever since I tried it, oh my god, I love it so much. It just looks so beautiful. So I thought I need to share it with you guys. I'm gonna go back in to the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm going to take the shade Naked, this one right over here, using a Clarity E28 brush, and I'm going to just apply this all over my entire lid, wherever we applied that concealer, just to set everything into place. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to just blend out this outer corner so that it's not super harsh, but it's nice and soft. Okay, so we're going to move on to the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes a little bit later, because the eyes are pretty much done. Like I said, it's super quick and super easy to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the skin now. For foundation, I am going in with the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I love this foundation. It is one of my favorite foundations ever. I use it all the time. It is so good. And I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This color is like my perfect color. I've never owned a foundation that matches me as much as this one does. This is like my perfect shade. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and just blend it all out. I'm going to be doing a little bit of cream contouring, and I am using the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Warm Almond. This is super old, but it's so good. So I'm taking this up here in forehead, right here in cheeks, right here and right here, and of course down the nose. I'm going to blend that out using the Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki brush. It's such an easy blend. Once it's blended out, I like to go back in with my beauty sponge to make sure that everything is really nice and blended, and that there is no harshness, and that everything is nice and slick. I'm taking a smaller brush. This is the Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and I'm going to blend out the nose just a little bit. The nose is going to look a little weird until we go in with concealer, so don't worry. It looks a little harsh now, but I promise you it comes together. I'm going to go in with the Kylie concealer in Birch. Hallelujah. And apply this on the sides of the nose and under the eyes, and right here to clean that up. I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend this out. Now I'm going to take another Kylie concealer, but this time in the shade Gypsum, and this is going to brighten up my face. So I'm only putting this right here in the inner corner of the eyes and on the sides of the nose to brighten things up. I'm going to put a little bit on the tip of the nose and down the bridge of the nose, right here in between the brows, Cupid's bow, and chin. And again, I'm going to take my sponge and blend it all out. We are going to begin to set everything into place, because right now we have a lot of cream and we need to set everything down. So I'm going to be working off the Kylie powders. I know that I use a lot of Kylie face stuff, but I truly do love her face brand, like her concealers, and I have been obsessed with her powders. So I'm going to first take the shade Soft Pink, and I'm going to make sure that I have no creases under my eyes. So no creasing. And I'm taking my Hourglass dual-ended brush. I'm gonna dip into that powder. I'm gonna tap it off on the back of my hand, and I'm going to set the under eyes. We're not gonna bake just yet. We're just going to set. Now I'm going to take the shade Beige with a powder puff like this. I'm gonna dip into the powder And again, dust it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply all over the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Fix Plus because we did apply a ton of powder. So now that everything is nice and set, now I'm going to go ahead and bake. And I have been baking after I set my face. It makes the world of a difference. My under eyes don't look as dry. You're going to see that this line over here doesn't look as harsh. I love, love, love to bake after my whole entire face has been set. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the Kylie Soft Pink palette powder, and I'm going to apply it right here on the sides of the nose and under the eyes. And now I'm going to go into the beige shade and apply it right here. So let's go ahead and finish the under eyes. I'm going to go back in with my Hoola bronzer and just a pencil brush. And I'm just going to work this in the lower lash line. Going in with a flat shader brush, I'm going to go back into the shade Cocoa from the Daisy Marquez palette. And I'm going to apply this really tight to my lower lash line. I'm going to take a nude pencil. This is the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner in nude and line my waterline. So now I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the powder that we have under our eyes. I'm going to go back in with my Hoola bronzer and bronze my skin. For blush, my friend Gabby, the owner of Alamar Cosmetics, just released these 3 blush palettes. We have the Dark Rich, the Medium Tan, and the Fair Light. So this is the Fair Light. So freaking beautiful. And then we have the Medium Tan. This one is probably my favorite. How beautiful are these blushes? And then this is the Dark Rich. Look at this color. This is beautiful for dark skin tones, beautiful. So for today, I think I'm going to use the Medium Tan, which looks like this. And I think I'm gonna go into the shade Toasted right over here. Just a little bit, a little pinch, because I have a feeling these are very pigmented. So I'm actually going to dust off a little bit on the back of my hand and apply. Oh, yes. Yes, Gabby. This is my shade. So I always apply a little bit too much because I blend in this upwards, which kind of softens it up. So I like to go in a little bit heavy-handed at first. And now I like to go in with a little bit of a fluffy brush and blend up this bake up to soften everything up. If I wouldn't have set my foundation first and gone in just with the baking powder, it would have left like a distinct line. But when you set it, you don't have that, and it makes it look really nice and airbrushed. So love that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara and falsies, and I'll be right back. I'm going to be using today the Ardell Wispies, just a natural lash because this is kind of like a natural look. So I'll be right back. It is crazy to me how much lashes just change everything. I love lashes, love them. Okay, the only thing that we have left is the lips. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips using the KKW lip liner in number 2. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Kylie lipstick in Nova. You can totally leave it like this. This is such a beautiful, beautiful look. But you know I love a good gloss. And my friend also released some new glosses. These are the new Alamar, let me see the actual name. This is the just glosses, so just regular glosses. And I think that for today's video, I am going to be using Corazon because it has a little bit of gold and it also has like a little bit of like a pink in there. Look at that, look how pretty that gloss is. So I'm just going to do a little bit in the center. Ooh, so beautiful. And going to go in with more Fix Plus because you can never go wrong with more Fix Plus. Okay, so I realized that I did not add highlight, but honestly, I have not been into highlighting recently, so I am just going to take a little bit of the shade Icy from the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm just going to apply a little bit like on the tip of the nose, and like down the center, and like a little bit on the brow bone. Alrighty, you guys, so this is it. This is a completed look. I am going to have everything linked in the description. My headband, I'm going to try to find the earrings. The earrings are super old, but I'm going to try to find them and link them for you guys. But I will have my headband linked. And of course, all of the makeup products that I've used in today's video. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I love you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah!